Today I'm making soy sauce marinated hard-boiled eggs. I'm boiling eggs. It looks a lot, right? I'm eating some and I'm giving others. I usually boil the eggs for 15 minutes and then I soak it in ice cold water. That helps it peel really fast. These were washed under cold running water just to make sure that no eggshells are there. I'm gonna use these mini bell peppers for color and flavor. I'm using 4 to 5 pieces, just dice them really small. I speed it up and I look like a bionic woman. These two are Korean peppers, which is spicy. It's gonna add kick to the flavor. Now that looks like enough peppers. Now I'm making sauce. I'm putting 1 cup of soy sauce and equal amount of cold water. Four tablespoons of sugar. I'm using the brown organic sugar from Costco, but you can use any kind of sugar. Adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Also adding 1/4 of chopped onions. Just mix them well and pour it over the eggs. These are really good, especially if you eat it with white rice. Place the egg on top of the white rice, pour some sauce over it, and then smush it up and eat them. Now, how easy is that? You can store this in the refrigerator and eat throughout the week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.